Good evening everyone and welcome to this video on USDCNY. The USDCNY pair is currently trading around the 7.06 and 7.07 levels. The Chinese yuan has staged a recovery, tracking towards its strongest annual performance since 2020. This move is largely driven by the broad US dollar weakness and a thaw in the US-China relations that has improved risk sentiment. However, the appreciation is being carefully managed. The PBOC, or the People's Bank of China, has signaled discomfort with excessive volatility, utilizing weaker than expected daily fixings to prevent the yuan from strengthening too rapidly below the psychological level of 7. Now we can discuss the key fundamental drivers of this phenomenon. The Fed policy and the Fed rate cut expectations. Markets are pricing in a high probability of a Federal Reserve rate cut later this month in December. This policy divergence softening US yields against stable Chinese policy is the primary weight on the greenback, and the domestic and policy factors of PBOC managed float. The PBOC is actively managing the pace of appreciation, as we have already discussed. Recently, daily fixings have been set weaker than market models suggest, acting as a speed bump to slow the yuan's rise and protect export competitiveness. And China's economic data is also contributing. Despite the currency strength, domestic data remains mixed. Manufacturing PMI for a month of November showed contraction, and keeping deflationary concerns alive and ensuring monetary policy remains accommodative. Coming to the geopolitics, improved diplomatic tones between Beijing and Washington have reduced the immediate risk premium on Chinese assets, encouraging capital inflows and supporting the yuan. Now let's discuss the technical part of USD-CNY. The USD-CNY pair has established a short-term downtrend, consistently making lower highs, taking immediate resistance from the 50-day EMA. The USD-CNY is testing the 7.06 and the 7.07 channel floor. A breakdown here exposes structural support at 7.05. Resistance sits at 7.11 and 7.13, with the broader downtrend capped at 7.17. Given fading momentum, the bias remains bearish, with a reversal contingent on closing above the upper channel. Keep in mind, this is the USD-CNY pair. Now coming to the recommendations. Importers are currently finding attractive CNH INR levels and should consider buying near 12.60 to cover near-term payables, and exporters use these prevailing levels to hedge future receivables. That's all for this video on Chinese yuan. Thank you for watching.